Imagine for a moment a vast, complex chemical factory, a bustling metropolis working tirelessly, 24 hours a day, every day of your life. This isn't some distant industrial complex on the horizon. It's an organ tucked away inside your own body. We're talking about the liver. It is one of the most vital, yet often overlooked components of the human machine. Without it, the intricate dance of life would simply cease. It's a silent guardian, a tireless worker, performing hundreds of critical tasks without you ever having to think about it. It's time we took a journey inside this remarkable world. Let's use our ship of the imagination to shrink down, smaller than a blood cell, and embark on a tour. Visualize the liver in 3 dimensions. It's not just a simple lump of tissue. It's a sprawling, reddish-brown organ, the largest solid organ in your body, weighing about 1.5 kilograms. It's shaped like a wedge, nestled safely under your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. Its sheer size hints at its importance. This isn't just passive tissue, it's an active, dynamic environment, a universe of biological activity, humming with purpose and complexity, essential for your continued existence on this planet. As we navigate through its intricate landscape in our mind's eye, we see a stunningly organized structure. The liver is divided into 2 main lobes, a larger right lobe and a smaller left lobe. But the true marvel lies deeper within. These lobes are made up of thousands of smaller units called lobules. Each lobule is a hexagonal prism of liver cells, or hepatocytes, arranged like spokes on a wheel around a central vein. It is within these tiny, repeating structures that the real magic happens. This is the microscopic stage where the fate of nutrients, toxins, and hormones is decided, moment by moment. This 3-dimensional structure is no accident of nature. It is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering. Its design maximizes the surface area for chemical reactions, ensuring efficiency. Blood from your digestive system, rich with the nutrients from your last meal, flows through these lobules. At the same time, blood from the rest of your body also arrives, carrying waste and other substances. The liver acts as a grand sorting office, a sophisticated checkpoint that processes everything. It is a testament to the elegant solutions that biology has devised over millions of years to sustain complex life. Think of your liver as the body's primary metabolic hub. It's like the grand central station for all the molecules that enter your system. After you eat a meal, the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are broken down in your gut and absorbed into the bloodstream. Their first major stop is the liver. Here, these basic building blocks are processed, converted, and stored for future use. For example, the liver takes simple sugars like glucose and skillfully links them together to form glycogen, a storage molecule that acts as your body's immediate energy reserve for when you need a quick boost. This amazing organ is also a master of transformation. It can take one type of molecule and convert it into another, depending on what the body needs at that precise moment. If your blood sugar levels dip, the liver quickly breaks down its stored glycogen back into glucose and releases it into the bloodstream, ensuring your brain and muscles have a steady supply of fuel. It can even create glucose from scratch, a process called gluconeogenesis, using amino acids or fats. This metabolic flexibility is crucial for survival, allowing us to endure periods between meals without our systems shutting down. But the liver's role doesn't stop with energy management. It is also a critical manufacturer. It synthesizes many of the essential proteins that circulate in your blood. One of the most important is albumin, which helps maintain the right amount of fluid in your bloodstream and transports hormones, vitamins, and enzymes throughout the body. It also produces the proteins necessary for blood clotting. Without these clotting factors, even a small cut could become a life-threatening event. The liver is constantly building the very components that keep our internal environment stable and functional. Furthermore, the liver plays a key role in managing fats, or lipids. It produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that is stored in the gallbladder. When you eat a fatty meal, bile is released into the intestine to help break down the fats into smaller, more manageable droplets that your body can absorb. The liver also produces cholesterol, a substance often misunderstood, but vital for building cell membranes and producing certain hormones. It meticulously balances the production and removal of cholesterol, acting as the ultimate regulator of the body's fat economy. Now, let's venture into one of the liver's most famous roles, that of the master detoxifier. Every single day, your body is exposed to a barrage of potentially harmful substances. These can come from the food we eat, the air we breathe, medications we take, or even as byproducts of our own metabolism. The liver stands as a vigilant gatekeeper, a sophisticated purification plant tasked with neutralizing these threats. It is an unceasing, vital defense mechanism that protects every other organ in your body from damage. Its ability to perform this function is nothing short of a chemical wonder. The process of detoxification is a fascinating two-step chemical operation. In phase 1, a family of enzymes, known as the cytochrome P450 system, gets to work. These enzymes modify the toxic substances, often through a process called oxidation, making them more water-soluble. Think of this as the first stage of disassembly, breaking down a complex, dangerous structure into a more manageable intermediate form. This initial step is crucial, as it prepares the toxins for the next and final stage of their disposal, transforming them into a state that the body can more easily handle. In phase 2, the liver takes the intermediate molecules produced in phase 1 and attaches other molecules to them. This process, called conjugation, makes them even more water-soluble and, most importantly, non-toxic. The liver essentially tags these harmful substances for excretion. It's like putting a shipping label on a package, marking it for delivery out of the body. Once tagged, these harmless compounds can be safely transported out of the liver and eliminated from the body, either through urine via the kidneys or through bile into the feces. This entire detoxification system is incredibly powerful and versatile. It can handle an immense variety of chemical structures, from alcohol and caffeine to prescription drugs and environmental pollutants. The liver's ability to adapt and process these different substances is a cornerstone of our health. Without this constant, meticulous cleaning process, toxins would accumulate in our bloodstream and tissues, leading to widespread cellular damage and, eventually, systemic failure. The liver is the silent, unsung hero protecting us from a constant chemical onslaught, a guardian of our internal purity. One of the most mind-boggling facts about the liver is its extraordinary capacity for regeneration. It is the only visceral organ in the human body that can regrow itself. If a portion of the liver is removed due to injury, disease, or for a living donor transplant, the remaining tissue can grow back to its original size. It's a biological superpower that has fascinated scientists for centuries. As long as little as 25% of the original liver mass remains healthy, it can regenerate completely within a matter of months. This is a profound example of the resilience built into our own biology. This regenerative ability is a complex and highly orchestrated process. When part of the liver is lost, the remaining liver cells, the hepatocytes, receive signals to start dividing. They re-enter the cell cycle, a process they normally don't undergo, and begin to multiply rapidly. The liver doesn't just grow a new lobe. The existing lobes expand to compensate for the lost mass, remodeling themselves until the organ's original size and function are restored. It's a controlled, precise regrowth, a biological construction project that rebuilds the factory while it continues to operate, ensuring the body is never left unprotected. This incredible feature is not just a scientific curiosity, it has profound medical implications. It is the principle that makes living donor liver transplantation possible. A healthy person can donate a portion of their liver to someone in need, and both the donor's and the recipient's liver portions will grow to a full, functional size. It's a life-saving gift made possible by this unique regenerative power. The liver's ability to renew itself offers hope and is a frontier of medical research, as scientists study its secrets to potentially unlock regenerative therapies for other organs that lack this amazing capability. So, as we conclude our journey, remember the liver. It's not just a passive filter, it's a dynamic chemical plant, a metabolic regulator, a protein factory, a detoxifying guardian, and a self-healing marvel. It performs over 500 functions, many of which we are still working to fully understand. Taking care of this organ through a healthy lifestyle is not just a good idea. It is fundamental to your long-term well-being. The universe within you is vast and complex, and at its very center hums the quiet, powerful, and utterly essential engine of life, your liver.